Indian authorities have intensified restrictions under the pretext of the extraordinary security arrangements ahead of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the territory tomorrow. Narendra Modi is scheduled to inaugurate the Chenab Railway Bridge at the Katra in the Reasi district, marking the completion of the 272-kilometer Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla railway line. He is also set to flag off a special train to the Srinagar. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency has launched fresh wave of the house raids at multiple locations across occupied Kashmir. The raids are being carried out in the Pulwama, Kulgam, Shopian, Baramulla and the Kupwara district. The Indian police official claimed the operations are targeting the sympathizers of the freedom movement and the alleged overground workers of the pro-freedom organizations. In the first week of June 1984, the Indian Army launched Operation Blue Star, storming the Golden Temple, the holiest shrine of the Sikh faith, where thousands of the innocent Sikhs, including women and the children, were gunned down during a sacred religious observance. The eyewitnesses and the independent observers report that over 5,000 Sikhs were killed in Amritsar alone, many shot at the point-blank range. Kashmir Students Association has demanded a swift, transparent and time-bound investigation into the mysterious and the tragic death of a 30-year-old Kashmiri youth, Zubair Ahmed Butt, in the New Delhi. Zubair was assaulted by unidentified attackers while visiting the Indian capital to receive a guest, his family said. National Conference senior leader and member of the Indian Parliament from Srinagar, Agha Sayyid Ruhollah Mehdi, has said that the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Bharatiya Janata Party network is fueling hatred against the Kashmiris who are doing business or pursuing education in different Indian states. Agha, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly criticized the concerned efforts by the right-wing groups to create hostility against the people of the Kashmir. 3 individuals, including 2 women and a police constable, died in separate incidents in occupied Kashmir. Body of a young woman estimated to be of 23-year-old was found in the Belicharana.